Hi everyone! Today I will guide you through the basics of Tilda, everything you need to get started and create a website. First, let's learn how to create an account on Tilda and a project for a website. First, click on the sign up button and enter your information such as your name, email address, and a password. Then it will take you to the dashboard where you can create your project by clicking the Start New Website button. Name it however you want. I will name it WCS 240 website. After creating your project, you will see the site settings where you can assign a link to your future website and select fonts that you would like to use. Now let's learn how to create pages for your website using templates or zero block if you want to start from scratch and fully customize your website. Click the Create New Page button. It will take you to a wide range of templates that you can choose from, covering different styles and purposes. Check the templates by using the Preview button and choose the one that you like. Now let's see how you can personalize the template. In the upper left corner, you can change the name of the page. Since the first page you'll probably create is your homepage, let's name this one Homepage. Here you should also set up a link that takes users directly to this page. Now that our page has a name and a link, it's time to change its content. Let's begin by working with the text. You can change the text simply by clicking on it or by using the Content button. From there, you can also change or upload a background image. Don't forget to click the Save and Close button after making your changes. You can also delete any blocks you don't need or rearrange them. To do this, use the buttons in the upper right corner of each block. This lets you move blocks up or down on the page or remove them entirely. In the settings panel, you can also adjust the alignment of the elements and the height of the block. Now let's learn how to create fully customizable pages from scratch. To begin, click on the page name and Create New Page button. You will see the same set of templates as well as a blank page option. Select it and it will open an empty page. At the bottom, you will notice two buttons, More Blocks and Zero Block. If you want to use ready-made block templates, click on More Blocks. From there, choose the type of block you would like to add. For example, since the second page we'll probably need is an About Me page, you can select a text block and write a short text about yourself. You may also want to add other types of blocks, such as an image block or a gallery block. The image block allows you to upload a single picture, while the gallery block is great if you want to showcase several images at once, such as a collection of pictures you have taken. You can also create a completely blank block by clicking the Zero Block button at the bottom of the page. Then, by going to the block editor, you can adjust the block's height, its settings, add or edit elements, change their colors, and etc. in a more advanced way. One useful tip here is to change the scale grid container to auto scale to window width. This will make your blocks automatically adjust to the screen size and help you avoid unnecessary empty spaces, especially along the edges of the blocks. By clicking the plus button in the upper left corner, you can add a variety of elements to your block and edit them. This includes text, images, rectangular, circular, or linear shapes, buttons, and many other components to fully customize your design. You can even embed a YouTube video to your blog by clicking the Add Video button. Another way of working with blocks would be converting regular template blocks into zero blocks. To do this, you can open the settings panel of the block that you want to personalize, scroll all the way down and click the Convert to Zero Block button. This way, you will have full control over the block's layout and design. Now let's finally move to creating a navigation menu and publishing your pages. Let me show you one of the easiest ways to create a navigation menu. First, go to the dashboard and create a new blank page. Open the block templates by clicking on the More Blocks button. Find the menu section. You'll see several menu bar templates. Choose the one you like best. For this example, let's select a simple menu bar. Open the settings panel and convert the block into a zero block. This will allow you to use the block editor for full customization. Change the text as you wish. Since you likely only have 3 pages, your home page, an About Me page, and an assignments page, you can add 3 text blocks to the menu bar. Don't forget to align the text by selecting all the blocks and using the alignment settings. Name this page Menu so you can easily find it later. Next, go to your home page, copy its link, and paste it into the text block you want to serve as the button for home. Make sure that the links open in the same window. Repeat this process for your About Me page and assignments page. Once the links are added, click the site name in the upper left corner and open Site Settings. In the sidebar, go to the header and footer section. Here, set the header to the page you just created for your menu. Now, your navigation menu will appear across all your pages, including any new ones you create in the future. To publish your pages, go to your project's dashboard. Hover over each page and click the Publish button that appears. Once all your pages are published, you can check your website by opening it through the links you've set up. If everything looks correct, then you're all set. Your site is live.